Are you preparing for the Microsoft DP-800 designing and implementing SQL database solutions, but feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Most people fail this exam not because it's too hard, but because they prepare in the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you a complete study plan, the most important topics and real mistakes to avoid, so you can pass with confidence. Let's be honest, this is not a basic SQL exam. It tests advanced T-SQL real-world scenarios, performance tuning security, and now AI features the biggest challenge? Questions are scenario-based. You won't be asked what is a join, you'll be asked which approach will optimize performance in this situation. That's where most people struggle. Here's the exact roadmap I recommend. Days 1 3 database design, days 4 to 6 programmability days, 7 to 9 advanced TSQL days, 10 to 11 security days, 12 13 performance, plus CI CD day 14, AI plus embeddings day 15. Practice tests, stick to this and you'll be ready. Let me highlight the most important sections. Advanced T-SQL window functions, CTEs, JSON security, always encrypted, row-level security performance, query plans, query store, AI tools like GitHub Copilot, embeddings, chunking. If you master these, you're ahead of 80% of candidates. Here are the biggest mistakes I see. Studying only theory, ignoring practice questions, skipping AI topics, not understanding scenarios. Remember, this exam is not about memorization, it's about decision making. Let me give you one example. A company has slow queries on large tables. What should you do? Options: add indexes, partition table, rewrite query, correct answer. Depends on scenario. That's why practice is critical. If you're serious about passing, I've created a complete practice test course with 200 plus real exam style questions, detailed explanations, all topics covered. Link is in the description. It will help you identify weak areas and build confidence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment DP800 if you want a free cheat sheet. All the best, you've got this.